Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pip Cash Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Friday, 10/22, 9:20 in the morning. We're here with another live call. gbpusd, right? On the week, we almost took out that wick from yesterday, so it does look bearish, but it's also in a range sort of. So we don't really have a bias. One thing that I do notice, we've been consolidating overnight. We had this bull trap over here, and so on and so forth. If you look on the 15-minute chart now, right, we are sort of starting to read this crown-like pattern. All sellers' liquidity is below this trend line and this support level, so I'm going to wait for sellers to become exhausted somewhere down there for the buy opportunity up to that right shoulder. So once that sets up, we'll have the opportunity. So we're looking for this on a 5-minute chart. I'm going camping today, so I got to make this shit quick, right? So all sellers' liquidity is down here. And then all buyers' liquidity is up here. So we're going to look to enter this buy. Hope you all are having a fantastic fucking day. Let's go. We out here. Where the fuck is that? I'm looking for the arrow thing, but we're looking for that opportunity over here. So once we get that opportunity down there, we're going to look to smash that buy opportunity up. I really wanted to have that arrow, but I guess this stupid update's not having arrows. Alright, we'll be back in 15 minutes, 9:27 right now, so we got time before this thing sets up, and then we're going to trade towards that level. Let's go. Alright guys, we're entering this fucking buy right now and holding it all the way up to here. Let's get it. See you in a bit. Let's get it. 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 Yo, I'm doing 50 fucking things at once. Still calling this shit, baby. Let's fucking go. Hey, hey, hey. I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion. Around from time to time, I don't show no emotion. Yo, fuck this U resistance, bro. We squeezing all the way up to that right shoulder. All bullish liquidity up there. We holding it strong, baby. We got another 15 pips to go. Let's get it. Sheesh. Let's go. That drop ain't fucking stopping us, baby. Let's go. We're holding it all the way back up, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're securing this bag right now. I would hold, but I'm going camping right now. I don't got time for this shit. So we'll see you guys Monday. Let's have a fucking great weekend. Love you all. Take care. Let's get it. Sheesh.